Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'll do unboxing of Mi Mix 4, Xiaomi's latest smartphone. Priced at 2,850 AD, which is like 56,000 Indian currency and $780 US. This is 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM Chinese variant with 5G support. You can see the big Harman Kardon branding for its speakers on the box. First of all, a big thanks to Mr. Salimbaba for giving me this review unit. Salimbaba is a very famous and popular tech YouTuber. I will provide you his channel links in the description below. You can subscribe and watch his videos. So let's see what's inside this big box. This is the smartphone. There is a huge camera bump at the rear for his triple camera setup with 108 megapixel main camera sensor. Let's keep the smartphone aside and see what else we get inside the box. You get a standard TPU case which is average quality. Now this is really interesting as Xiaomi has included a 120 watt adapter inside the box, which is really incredible. You also get a standard Type A to Type C cable. I wish it was Type C to C cable. Also a SIM ejection tool and a USB Type C to 3.5mm headphone jack dongle. That's all what you get inside the box. Now let's see the smartphone itself and unwrap it. It has a nice ceramic back which feels premium, and with Gorilla Glass 7 Victus protection, the smartphones feel heavy duty. The camera on this smartphone looks quite impressive. Soon I will do a comparison with iPhone 12 Pro Max. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel if you like to watch the comparison. On the side you have the power and volume rockers. At the bottom there is a stereo speaker, main microphone, USB-C port and a SIM tray which has a water resistant seal. The smartphone supports 2 SIM cards, but unfortunately there is no support for microSD card on this smartphone. On the top side you have the secondary microphone, IR blaster and another speaker tuned by Harman Kardon. There is no physical button on the right side. You can see a huge camera bump just like Mi 11 Ultra. Let's boot the smartphone for the first time. Setup is complete now. Let's increase the brightness. It has a beautiful 6.67-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus panel with 395 ppi. Smartphone comes with a pre-installed screen protector which is great. There are very tiny bezels and there is in-display selfie camera, which is a smart move. It's not visible but there is a cutout in the screen protector highlighting it. Overall the display is impressive. The fingerprint scanner speed is decent. The smartphone is running MIUI 12.5.2 right out of the box, based on Android 11. It has an octa-core Snapdragon 888 Plus processor. Now this is a top-of-line processor, so performance will be top-notch. And also the gaming performance will be excellent on this smartphone. Since it's not a global version, you get a lot of Chinese pre-installed applications. You get 120Hz high refresh rate, which makes everything feel smooth on this smartphone. In terms of camera, it has a triple camera setup at the rear with main 108 megapixel shooter, a 13 megapixel wide angle lens and 8 megapixel telephoto lens. On the front, it has a 20 megapixel in-display camera. It can shoot 4K and 8K videos from the rear camera. Let's see some sample images shot on this smartphone. Cameras on this smartphone looks impressive, except for the heating issues in 8K and 4K video recording. Xiaomi is really hot after recording 4K 60 and 30 frames per second. The device has become very hot. A full in-depth camera review coming soon in my channel. In terms of the battery size, it has a 4500 mAh battery. The smartphone supports 50 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 is also IP68 water and dust resistant. Overall, it's quite an impressive smartphone with top of the line specs for a decent price. Once again, Xiaomi has delivered a great smartphone for a decent price. So that's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.